Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to fix sound issues on Racing Kingdom application using your mobile device. Is your game silent in the middle of a race? Then let's fix that today. First of all, open up Racing Kingdom application on your mobile device and then from the main home screen, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open the settings menu. Tap on sound from the left hand side and make sure the music and sound effects sliders are turned on. You can then go ahead and customize the sound options by dragging the white slider left or right. Make sure that these buttons are turned on. Once you've made sure of that, you can get back to the game and you might be able to fix your sound problem in the game. If that still doesn't help, make sure that the media volume is off on your device. Tap on the volume key and make sure that it is turned on. Make sure that your device is not on a silent mode or do not disturb mode. If using Bluetooth or earphones, disconnect and test again. After you do that, you might be able to fix your sound issue in the game. If that still doesn't work, then go ahead and open up your App Store or your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Racing Kingdom. Once you find this Racing Kingdom app from Super Gears on your screen, look if there is an update button available. If not, then it means that you are currently running the latest version of the game. If you see update button, tap on it and install the latest version of Racing Kingdom. After you make sure to follow these steps, you might be able to fix sound issues on Racing Kingdom. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.